Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some stocks on the move today. I'm Nathan Hager, joined by Bloomberg's Valerie Teitel on another morning of retail earnings. We're getting results from Dollar General this morning, and it looks like low-end retail is continuing to outperform, Valerie. Good morning.
Yeah, it seems like a theme. I know everyone was worried about this K-shaped economy, but it does seem like these discount retailers are doing quite well. Dollar General shares are up just shy of 3% in the pre-market. They beat on their third quarter EPS. It came in at $1.28. The estimate was for 94 cents. They also raised their full year 2025 EPS forecast and boosted their sales guidance as well. So really interesting to see if this chimes with what we've heard from other discount retailers of late, who seem to say that even though foot traffic is down in their stores, people are spending more once they get in the doors. That was the theme of other discount retailers this week, and Dollar General seems to be capturing that positivity as well, with shares up just shy of 3% after this earnings release.
But it has been a kind of a mixed picture when it comes to broader retail, because we're getting sort of a disappointed reaction to Costco's results.
Yeah, well, these are the sales figures for the month of November for Costco. So kind of a sneak peek. We get their full earnings later in December, but Costco shares are down 1%. The November comparable sales came in below expectations. It really was the North of America sales that were pretty soft versus Costco's more international business, which held up pretty well. And again, we're really focused on the consumer headed into the holiday season. How is the consumer feeling? How are they going to spend in the last few weeks of the year? Costco painting quite a weak picture for the month of November.
And we got big tech earnings as well. Salesforce looks like it came in pretty positive.
Yeah, Salesforce, at least the stock is reacting positively. It's up over 2% in the pre-market. This is all back on some positivity around adoption of their new AI tools, looking better than expected. Now, Salesforce is the largest maker of CRM software. They've had a lot to convince investors that they can compete with these new AI incumbents that are coming into the market. And them being an incumbent, they really need to show investors that they can use these AI tools to keep their customers. They gave a strong revenue outlook for the current quarter, and they said AI product is gaining traction. Their key product is called Agentforce. It is still seeing red hot growth. The previous quarter, it saw a growth rate of over 300% year on year. So incumbent software makers are still doing okay in this AI race.
It is a much different story, though, this morning for Snowflake. That stock is getting pounded this morning.
Yeah, down over 8% for Snowflake. This is the cloud-based data platform. They gave a disappointing outlook for operating margins. A bit of a different picture here, where it's raising concerns about the profitability when it comes to AI-based tools in the cloud sphere. So, Snowflake makes software that helps corporates organize and analyze data in the cloud. The one positivity, though, even though they were disappointed on this operating margin outlook, is that they did announce a partnership with Anthropic alongside a $200 million investment. So they want to put Claude AI models available on their Snowflake platform in their software services. So a bit of positivity there, but Snowflake stock's really reacting negatively to the disappointing outlook for operating margin.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.